Once your store is ready, it's time to add your first product. From the dashboard or the listings page, simply click Add a listing to get started. Start by uploading one or more product images or a short video. Use natural light, a clean background, and capture different angles. The first photo will be used as the thumbnail. Enter your product title, make it short, clear, and searchable. Then add relevant tags up to 15 to help shoppers discover your product. In the description, share key features and benefits. Feel free to include materials, size, or even your story behind the product. Now it's time to set the price. Make sure it covers your cost and includes a profit margin. Next, choose your shipping model. You can offer free shipping or set a fixed rate, just make sure it aligns with your pricing strategy. Once published, your item will show up in your listings dashboard. You can deactivate the listing at any time, for example, if it sells out or you want to pause it. Click View Store on the sidebar to preview how your product appears on your public store page. Everything is mobile-friendly and beautifully styled by default. Now your product is live. Customers can browse your store, view product details, and click into the purchase page with a single tap. Congratulations, you're officially open for business. It's that easy to launch your product on Aladdin Mall. Keep adding listings and watch your online shop grow.